Hi everyone, my name is Sakode. Today I'll show you how to convert a folder to WinRAR file. So to begin, on my desktop I have a folder. There's my folder. In it I have a files. So to convert this folder to WinRAR, I right click on the folder, then I click add to WinRAR to convert it to WinRAR format. To be able to do that, you need to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. This will assist you to convert from normal doc to WinRAR file or WinRAR doc. Now it's converting. WinRAR is converting. Need to finish. Thanks for watching.